9.1, solving quadratic equation by square root property. Okay, so learning objective, review the zero factor property. 2, solve equation of the form x squared equal k, where k greater than 0. 3, solve equation of the form ax plus b all squared equal k, where k greater than 0. 4, use formulas involving second degree variables. You have two keywords here. You need to look for their meaning on the internet or in the book. Please search. You have 2 minutes to search for those words. 2 minutes. Spend 2 minutes to get the meaning. Okay. So let's take a look at the square root properties. Okay. The rule, it said, if u is an algebraic expression and d is a real number, okay, if u squared equal d, then you take the square root for both sides. And in this case, you will get two results. One is positive, and one is what? Negative. As you can see here, one is positive, one is negative. So let's take a look at the example on the right side. Muhammad, read.
X minus 6 to the power of 2 equals 50.
All to the power of 2. So to get rid of the 2, what should I do? Take the square root for both sides. So if you take the square root for both sides, you get one positive and one negative. Okay? And of course, the square root of 50 is 5 square root of 2, and then you move the negative 6 to the side, become positive. So that's your solution. Okay, so you have two solutions. Let's take examples from the exercises here. I have here y squared equal 81. What should I do?
So,
Take the square root for both sides. Okay, so if you take the square root for both sides, you get y, right? But the answer here is going to be plus or minus?
plus
9. Why? Because you know that 9 times 9 give you what? 81. Tab negative 9 times negative 9? Also 81. So that's why we include both of them. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Next one. What should I do? First step before you start working, what should you do? You have to isolate the y squared. So you have to divide by what? 4. Clear? This cancel with this, you get y squared equal 49 over 4. Do not divide or anything. Just take the square root, right? If you take the square root, you get plus or minus, and 7 over what? 2. Easy as easy. That's your final answer. Okay. Okay. Let's do another one. Solve by the square root property. Isolate the x squared. How can I isolate the x squared? You get what? 51 minus 1 equal what? 2x squared. How can I isolate x squared? Divide by 2. So x squared equal what? How can I find x squared?
Double x equals 5.
Take the square root for both sides. If you take the square root for both sides, what do you get?
That's for minus 5.
Easy as easy.
Yes.
That's it. That's the whole lesson about that. Yalla, this one. What should I do here?
Double
So what do you get?
x plus 5 equals 11 minus 5, x equals 6.
X equal what?
Plus or
5 plus or minus 11. So that's give you two answers, right? One is 6 and one is what? 16. So you have two solutions. So your answer is what? 6 or 16. Easy as it now.
It's negative 5, not 5.
Negative 5. So yeah, I was testing you, right? So what should we do now? It's going to be negative 16 and here is going to be what? 6. Correct. In the sign, you have to change the sign, that's it. Easy? Let's go to the next one. What should I do here? Take the square root for both sides. So what are you going to get?
X minus 5 equals plus.
So x equal what? That's your answer. Easy as easy.
دي طلعت plus or minus. ما ادري. ايه بس انا مريض بالتجارب.
I don't know, maybe. What if it's square 9?
It's not, it's 6.
Yeah, but the result has to be plus or minus.
ايه بس هذه راشد صح.
Okay, let me.
فهمت عليك يعني يقول فرضا كانت 9.
Yeah, if it's inside 9, then it's going to be plus or minus.
Okay.
But the number here is 3, so what can I do? I mean, I cannot take it outside. But if you use the calculator, use the calculator. Tell me how much is square root of 3 by the calculator. I think it's going to be 1 point something. 1.5. Huh? How much? How much is square root of 3?
1.7.
7 plus?
32054.
So you have two solutions, right? So if you add them, you're gonna get the first solution is gonna be 6.73, and the second solution is what? How much?
4.7.
La, 3, I think. 3 cam?
3.7.
Negative or positive? Positive, right? 3.37.
37. No. 27. 27.
27. Yes. So you see here we have two solutions, right? Clear? Next. Read يا اسمك ايه؟ نواف. Read يا نواف.
A square round width is 2b multiplied by adding 2 meters on each side. The larger square has an area of 144 square meters. What is the height of the original square?
Okay.